Raindrops fall and I feel your name. Every memory hits like a flame. I trace the echoes of your smile, and it lingers even for a while. Every tear I hide, it tells a story. Every heartbeat whispers of the glory of a love that slipped right through my hands, leaving traces I don't understand. I'm falling rain, crying out your name, through the hurt, through the pain. Even when the night feels endless and cold, I hold the memories I won't let go. Shadows stretch across this empty room. I feel the silence, I feel the gloom, but in my chest your spark remains, a gentle pulse through all my veins. Every tear I hide, it tells a story. Every heartbeat whispers of the glory of a love that slipped right through my hands, leaving traces I don't understand.